The man a woman truly regrets losing, the one she mourns for the rest of her life, isn't who you might think. It is not necessarily the wealthiest or the most charismatic man in the room. The man who leaves a void that can never be filled is an exceptional type of man. He is the kind of person who, once gone, leaves her heart aching for years because she realizes, too late, that he was irreplaceable. When this man walks away, she begins to feel his value in every single moment of her life. She replays every second spent with him. But unfortunately, that realization usually arrives long after the door has closed. Today's video is more than just words. It is a revelation of the deepest secrets of the female psyche. Secrets a woman might not even recognize herself. Focus with me closely, and if you find value in this, please leave a like. What you are about to hear may change your perspective on women, relationships, and even how you view yourself as a man. In the world of relationships, we often get distracted by the superficial. We see people chasing status, smooth talkers, or outward appearances. While those things have their place, the moment a woman realizes she has lost a man who cannot be replaced, the criteria change entirely. So who is this man? What are the 3 traits that make him a permanent loss in a woman's life? The first secret is the man whose dignity is a red line. Many women discover this far too late. This is the man who derives his self-worth from within, not from his wallet or his social standing. Unfortunately, many women make the mistake of thinking that if a man loves them, he should tolerate any behavior. They expect him to be at their beck and call, to forgive every disrespect and overlook every cross boundary, operating under the false belief that there is no dignity in love. A woman may mistake his patience for a lack of options or a sign of her control. But the truth is, a woman instinctively respects a man who respects himself, a man who sets boundaries and refuses to let anyone overstep them. When this man finally decides he's had enough, he doesn't scream or cause a scene. He simply withdraws with total calm. He leaves in peace because he knows there is no point in staying where his soul is being drained. That quiet exit is exactly what haunts her later. The second trait is the man who provides safety, not control. This goes much deeper than the first. The man a woman truly regrets is the one who offered emotional and psychological safety rather than suffocation. Many people confuse protection with control. They think extreme jealousy or monitoring a partner's every move is a sign of love. But over time, that doesn't feel like love. It feels like a prison. The man who is truly missed is the one who made her feel she could be her most authentic self. With him, she could show her weaknesses and fears without being mocked or having those vulnerabilities used against her later. He acts as a pillar of support, not a warden. When he leaves, she realizes she hasn't just lost a partner, she has lost her sanctuary. The third secret is the authentic man with unshakable principles. In a world full of masks and people who change their personality like a chameleon to get what they want, this man is a rare currency. A woman might be charmed by a performer in the beginning, but she will always regret losing the man who is as solid as a mountain. He doesn't play games, and his values are not for sale. He remains the same person whether he is wealthy or struggling, famous or unknown. He is clear and honest. When a woman loses an authentic man, she realizes that most others are just wearing masks. She learns that true masculinity isn't about power. It's about integrity and consistency. My final message to every man listening: be this man, not to seek revenge or make someone feel regret, but because your own value deserves it. Be the man of dignity, the man who provides real safety, and the man of firm principles. If a woman loses you, she will eventually understand your worth, but by then, it will be after the opportunity has passed. If these words resonated with you, please subscribe and join the conversation. Have you ever encountered this type of character, or have you had to make the difficult choice to choose your dignity over a relationship? Share your thoughts in the comments. Stay well, and until next time.